imagine, what if you can earn up to $400 per day by simply typing names online? I mean, how cool is that? Okay, so here's exactly how it works. Now, when you type one word or one name, for example, Anna, boom, you make money. And when you type another name, say for example, Jennifer, boom, you get paid once again. This is such an incredible opportunity, and here's exactly how much money you can make with this method. So when you type one page of names, you can earn $15. And for 5 pages of names, you can earn $75. And when you type 20 pages of names in a day, you can earn $300. And the best thing? There's no limit to this. You can type as much as you want, and you can earn as much money as you want too. You can either do this on your mobile phone or do this on your computer. It really doesn't matter. This opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide, so make sure that you watch until the end. I know this sounds insane, but that's why you need to stick around and just finish the entire video, or else you won't be able to get the results that we promised you. So watch until the end to find out what you're going to have to do to earn, just like the way that we are. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video, and let's jump right into it. So to start off, you're going to want to be on your default browser and then proceed to type in talentdesire.com. As you can see, your dream career starts now. Work with popular brands and earn money online from home without investing a dime. Now how this works is that you explore jobs, so you're going to select an online job from home and apply for free from all over the world. Then you're going to get hired. And with Talent Desire, you can work at home and tap into a global network of work. You're then going to start working. Talent Desire makes it easy to connect you with popular employers and begin doing work from home. And lastly, our most favorite part, collect earnings. So you're just going to choose a payment method that works best for you, from PayPal to wire transfer and much more. So if you scroll down, you'll see so many different job opportunities that are available worldwide, especially for you. There are online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, online paid survey, online typing jobs, and many, many more. Now we want you to focus on online typing jobs. And as you can see, it says that you can earn $45 up to $90 and even more every single day. Even $300. So isn't that crazy? And they say that as your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. Now that is what Travel Desire claims. By the way, where are y'all from? Leave a comment down below and let us know. So click on more, and that should lead you to this page right here. A wonderful way to earn money with your typing skills. If you want to earn some extra money working from home on your own computer and schedule, then online typing jobs are perfect for you. You will find jobs for all levels of typing skills, from beginner to an expert home-based typist. We are looking for a typist to perform typing and word processing tasks for our worldwide clients. There are no minimum entry barriers, but you can find out more about the basic requirements. So here are some of those basic requirements. They offer top pay. Now they say that you can earn up to $13,500 to $27,000 or more every single year. As your skills and your experience grow, so will your bank balance, which means that from $27,000, you can still earn much more than this. Now, as you can see over here, these are the prices that they pay for your work. And all of the details on this and everything else you will find on this webpage. You can easily just go on here by following what we showed you. Now, if we click on payment options over here, you will see all of the methods of payments that they offer. And as you can see, they have a ton, so you really need not to worry about that. Now we mentioned that they have a lot of payment options. So what would be your favorite one yet? Comment down below because I would love to know about that. Anyway, going back to the page that we're on, you're going to scroll to the bottom part of the page and then click on Apply Now. You're going to be brought to another page once again. Now this is the tricky part. This is where you need to be the most patient and follow through with the video so you won't get lost or confused. If you scroll a little lower, you'll see that step 1 is to select an application form, and you're just going to want to click on that. It will bring you to yet another web page, but don't go anywhere because you're so close. So just scroll lower and click on the online application form, and then you should find yourself here. Another web page. We're so close, okay? Scroll lower again and then click on the button that says fill in your details to apply and work with us. And once you click on that, you'll finally get to the sign up page. Now, when we started on this website, we also wondered why were we led through such a long process? But now we realized that maybe it's a test. How much people are willing to go through several web pages before reaching the actual sign-up page? So just make sure you follow through because you will definitely get here. It's definitely worth it. So make sure to complete the whole sign-up process because this is obviously how you're going to be able to apply. If you're liking our video so far, then I suggest that you give this video 2 thumbs up before our video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. So first name, last name, email, contact number, where you're from, zip, your preferred job title, which you can put online typing job, best time for you, and we suggest that you choose all day because that means more opportunities. Then choose your preferred payment method. This is very important. Your current profession status, then don't forget to agree to the terms, provide your e-signature, confirm you're not a robot, double check that everything has been filled up and filled up correctly, and then when you're ready, you can finally click on submit. You're then going to wait for them to email you back, which we are 100% that they will, so make sure you're patient and do good in this application form because it really doesn't take much and it's all that this job requires of you to apply. So this is an example of how your work would be. As you can see, project 1, pay out $15, 300 names, and here's 2 more projects, and you can do this over and over and over again and earn up to $300 and even more in just a single day, every day. So what are you waiting for? I want you to try this method out as soon as you finish watching this video, and then let me know in the comments down below how it goes. And that is all. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.